Good evening everyone. My name is Mark Anthony Atayde from grade 12 CSS1.
As an employee at one of the country's major telecommunication company, my role in the community is to make sure that our company runs as smoothly as possible by reviewing our company's operation and suggest improvements that can make our services better, faster, and more reliable. I am responsible for handling information related to how the company operates, how different processes and systems works across the organization. This includes data on how the tasks are performed, how services are delivered, and how our resources are used. Of course, the improvement that can be made to the organization. The better we understand and improve our internal processes, the better service we can provide to the community, including schools, students, and family who rely on technology every day. For the community, it means better internet connection, more reliable mobile services, and quicker customer support. One way I know the information is reliable is by result, meaning faster services, fewer complaints, and more efficient processes. The main difficulties I face in passing on information are the following. Number one, making sure it is clearly understood by everyone involved. Second, timing. The information needs to be shared at the right time to ensure there is enough time to take action. Number three, people are hesitant to accept the change. No, the information I work with is used only for improving how we operate.